This is chapter 1.5, page 38. And I'm gonna do number 1, number 3, and number 7. So let's start with number 1. Uh, Sketch an example of an adjacent angle that are complementary. So it needs to be it needs to be 90 degrees, right? That's what complementary mean, and it has to be a adjacent. What does adjacent mean? It shares the same angle. So you see how it shares the same vertex. I mean, see, if I look at this angle right here, let's say let's call this vertex B, and then if I look at this blue angle right here, the vertex is still vertex B. So it shares a common vertex. Now the second, so that's an adjacent angle that are complementary. The complementary part is the 90 degrees, and the adjacent part is they share the same angle. Now the second question: are all complementary angles adjacent angles? Well, the answer to that is no. Explain. So why is that? Well, um, co- complementary angle means that it adds up to 90 degrees. So let's say I have something that looks like this. Uh, I don't know, like this and like this. Well, I have two angles. Let's say this is 30 degrees and this is 60 degrees. Well, it's not drawn to scale, but I'm just saying. Well, here these two angles are complementary, but they don't share the same vertex. Next, number 3. Tell whether the indicated angles are adjacent. Well, look at this. Well, these two angles right here. This angle is angle B, vertex B, and if you look at this angle as well too, the vertex is B. So number 3, are the two angles adjacent? Yes. Next, number 7. Now it says, name a pair of complementary angles and a pair of supplementary angle. Well, complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Well, I know that this angle right here, the red angle plus the green angle is 90 degrees. I know that. So I could say angle GLH and angle HLJ. HLJ. So that's a complementary angle. Now let's do a supplementary angle. Two angles that add up um, to 180. Well, I know that this blue angle right here is 90 plus the plus this red angle right here adds up to 180. So I could say angle GLJ and angle JLK. JLK. So this is sup and this is complementary. Com.